Every Monday morning, you restart the same services, check the same logs, reset the same passwords. You've been doing this for years. What if I told you a single PowerShell script can do all of it, before you finish your coffee? These 7 commands aren't theory or some AI hype. They're replacing real IT jobs right now, today, in companies you've heard of. And by 2027, if you don't know them, you're the one getting automated out. I'm RAJ from AI TechBits. I've been automating Windows environments for 18 years, and I've watched entire helpdesk teams shrink from 12 people to 3, not because of layoffs, but because of PowerShell scripts that one person wrote in an afternoon. Today, I'm showing you the exact 7 commands and patterns that are quietly eliminating repetitive sysadmin tasks across the industry. No theory. No fluff. Real scripts you can copy and run today. Pay attention, because command number 7 is the one that'll make you rethink your entire career. Command number 1, monitoring and auto-restarting dead services. This one command replaces your manual morning checks. Here's the script. Get service, pipe to where object, checking if status equals stopped and start type equals automatic, then pipe to start service. That single pipeline checks every automatic service on a machine. If it's stopped, it starts it immediately. Now wrap this in a scheduled task that runs every 5 minutes, and your monitoring dashboard just became obsolete. I've seen companies paying $500 a month for monitoring tools that do exactly this. Pair it with SendMail message to send yourself an email alert when a service fails to restart, and you've replaced your Nagios or PRTG setup for free. The best part? This runs whether you're at your desk or asleep. That's 2 hours of daily monitoring work, eliminated with one script. Command number 2, Bulk Active Directory User Creation. This replaces your entire helpdesk onboarding queue. Here's how it works. Import-Csv users.csv, pipe to for each object, then New-ADUser with name, SAM account name, organizational unit path, and account password set from the CSV. Feed it a spreadsheet from HR with name, username, department, password, and it creates every account, assigns the right security groups, and enables them. What used to take a helpdesk technician 15 minutes per user, checking boxes, clicking through wizards, now takes 3 seconds for 100 users. One script. 0 human intervention. I ran this at a company that onboarded 200 new hires in a single day. The helpdesk didn't lift a finger. That's 50 hours of manual work, gone. Command number 3, Invoke-Command. This one replaces your physical server visits. Here's the syntax. Invoke-Command, minus computer name, list your servers separated by commas, then minus script block with whatever command you want to run. Get event log system error newest 10. Run any command across 50 servers simultaneously. Check disk space across your entire fleet in one shot. Restart services on every web server at once. Deploy patches without touching a single remote desktop session. If you're still RDPing into servers one by one in 2026, you're burning hours that PowerShell gives back to you for free. This one command alone saved me 10 hours a week at my last job. That's not an exaggeration. Command number 4, Automated Windows Update. This replaces your maintenance window entirely. Install-WindowsUpdate, minus accept all, minus auto reboot. That's it. With the PSWindowsUpdate module, you schedule patching across your entire server fleet. Tuesday night, 2 a.m., every server downloads its patches, installs them, reboots if needed, and sends you a summary report by morning. No more Saturday patching sessions. No more did we forget SRV 047? No more compliance audit failures because someone forgot to patch a server 3 months ago. I automated patching for 300 servers with this approach. What used to require a team of 4 people working weekends now runs itself. The compliance reports generate automatically every month. That's the kind of work that used to justify hiring another sysadmin. Now it justifies a PowerShell script. Command number 5, Automated Log Analysis. This replaces your Monday morning log review. Get-WinEvent with filter hashtable, log name security, event ID 4625 for failed logins, max events 100, pipe to export CSV. This pulls the last 100 failed login attempts and exports them to a CSV you can review in seconds. But here's where it gets powerful. Add a threshold check: if more than 50 failures in 24 hours, trigger an alert. You've just built a basic SIEM for free. Pair it with scheduled tasks running every hour, and you're monitoring security events 24/7 without anyone staring at screens. Event ID 4625 is your brute force detection. Event ID 4624 tracks successful logins. Event ID 4720 detects new account creation. Combine these three, and you have a security monitoring system that catches what expensive SIEM tools charge thousands for. Command number 6, Invoke REST method. This replaces your entire manual reporting workflow. Invoke REST method with your API endpoint URI and an authorization header with your bearer token. Pull cloud resource counts from Azure. Pull open ticket numbers from ServiceNow. Pull deployment status from Azure DevOps. All of it comes back as native PowerShell objects you can filter, format into tables, and email. Your weekly status report that takes 2 hours to compile? It writes itself now. Literally. Schedule it to run every Friday at 4 p.m., generate the report, email it to your manager, and enjoy your weekend. I automated a monthly executive dashboard this way. 15 different data sources, 1 PowerShell script, 3 minutes to run. Before that, it took a project coordinator 2 full days every month. That role eventually got repurposed to something more valuable. That's what automation does. Command number 7, and this is the big one. The one that truly replaces on-call rotation. Self-healing scripts with proper error handling. Here's the pattern. Triblock runs your critical operation, like restart service W3 SVC with error action stop. Catchblock sends an alert, sendmail message to on-call with the server name, the service that failed, and the full exception message. The service stops at 3 a.m. The script detects it within 5 minutes. It attempts an automatic restart. If the restart succeeds, nobody gets paged. If it fails, the on-call engineer gets an email with full context: what happened, what was attempted, what failed. No more 3 a.m. pages for something a script could have fixed in 10 seconds. You're not eliminating the human from the equation. You're making the human the last resort instead of the first responder. That's the mindset shift. And here's the reality check. These 7 commands aren't future technology. They're available right now in every Windows environment on the planet. The companies that use them have smaller teams doing more work with higher accuracy. The sysadmins who know them get promoted to automation engineers and cloud architects. The ones who don't find themselves wondering why their job postings require skills they never learned. That's not fear-mongering. That's the IT job market in 2026. If this made you a little uncomfortable, good. That means you have time to learn. Drop a comment below. Which command are you implementing first? Hit subscribe for more real sysadmin automation that actually works. I'll see you in the next one.